Some of our clients' most frequently asked questions still refer to the Principal Designer (PD) role defined by the building regulations in England. Since 1st October 2023, a new Principal Designer role related to the building regulations is now mandatory for all projects where building work is undertaken and the building regulations apply. Here we answer some of the questions you are looking to find the answers to. How is competency demonstrated for the Building Regulations Principal Designer (BRPD) role? The minimum competencies for the Building Regulations Principal Designer role are detailed in the PAS 8671 and include the ability to plan, manage, monitor design work and cooperate, coordinate and communicate to ensure the design work, if built, complies with building regulations. The BRPD is currently expected to be part of the design team and not a third party without any influence over design decisions. The BRPD should be able to coordinate the design team. A BRPD is not expected to be an expert in every design specialism, but they are expected to know enough about the building regulations to assess whether a building design will comply with all relevant regulations. BRPDs should support others, for example, in being able to pass on necessary information to contractors and explain to them how to demonstrate that elements are built properly. Can the contractor take on the BRPD role? Yes, as long as they can demonstrate competence as detailed in PAS 8671, anyone can take on any duty holder role and more than one role. Can the BRPD role be consulted out? The duty must always stay with the directly appointed duty holder, but you can have a contract with others to advise you, as long as the person appointed has the relevant skills, knowledge, and experience. Who is the principal accountable person? The principal accountable person is ultimately the person who owns the structure and exterior of the building, or the person responsible for maintaining the common areas of the building when there is more than one accountable person. Who appoints the BRPD and PC? The person commissioning the work, the client duty holder, is responsible for appointing the BRPD. Is a BRPD different to the experience/qualifications and existing CDMPD needs? Yes. The functions of a CDMPD relate to health and safety and making sure building structures are safe for people who use, clean, maintain and demolish them, all structures. BRPD functions relate to the material functions of building regulations, the finished building, and only where building regulations apply. If competent, one person or organisation can cover both duty holder roles. Is it possible to have a CDMPD and a BRPD on the same project? Yes, it is possible as long as they are competent and they have the insurance, PIR. This may become common on more complex projects where there will be a PD for CDM working alongside a PD for building regulations.